Heyo, what's up y'all? I'm Seth, the human developer behind Black SEO Analyzer. Do not let Claude or ChatGPT or Gemini lie to you. I'm the human. They just wrote test cases. So today we're going to speedrun installing Python SEO Analyzer. This is for more advanced users. So if you're not comfortable with the command line, if you're not comfortable with PowerShell on Windows, this is for Windows power users. So if you don't fit into that, you will get lost very quickly. Fret not, I do have other videos for not power users to walk you through the entire installation process a little bit slower, explaining the commands and showing you what we're actually doing. So if you feel like you can handle it, let's go. I'm gonna try to get this done in like under 3 minutes. Let's see if I can do it. So we start out GitHub, Seth Black Python or Black SEO Analyzer. Oh no, I just said the word Python. Oops. It's my favorite language. Latest releases. Bam. We're gonna grab the Windows release. Boop. Got it. We're going to launch the terminal. I use PowerShell. Run it as an admin. Yeah, I want to run it as admin. We're gonna go to Program Files, and then we're gonna make a new one called Black SEO Analyzer. Yeah. There we go. And we're gonna go into it, and then we're gonna move. Where are the downloads? Bingo, found it. Right here. That was fast. Then we're gonna move it to just Black SEO Analyzer.exe. And then let's run it. See what we get. Hey, that looks like this morning. All right, cool. So that's working. Next, we want to update our system environment variables. Bam. It's going to go to the system prompt, environment variables. I only want this for my account, so I'm just going to edit that little pathy path. Then we're going to add new, and we're going to go C, Program Files, Black SEO Analyzer. Just like that. Bam. Okay. Let's see if we did it. I think we made it. I want help. Just one version. Bam. Got it. So now we have Black SEO Analyzer latest version downloaded in the environment, and you can go about your day. I'm recommending updating it at least once a month because I push a lot. Like during dev cycles, I'm pushing daily, and then guaranteed every month you're gonna get like security patches and stuff. So thanks for watching this speed run. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, go follow me on Reddit and Instagram and I don't know, all the other social media. You know what to do. Good luck out there. Laters.